Welcome to aoshu.ca. This video will give you an example of how I explain a problem in class. This is a geometry problem. A circle is inscribed in a square with side length 10. What is the area outside of the circle and inside of the square? Now in geometry problems, the first thing we do is often to draw the lines and shapes that's in the problem. So let's first draw the square. There's our square, and next we draw the circle inscribed in a square. Here's a circle. The side length of the square is 10. So this is the side length. Now if we know the side length, we could easily calculate the area of the square. Now the area inside of the square includes everything in a square. If we could remove the area of the circle from that, then we get the area in between the circle and the square. So we could subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square, then we would get the area that's required in the problem. So how do we calculate the area of the circle? Area of the circle equals pi times r squared. So we need to find the radius of the circle. Now because the circle is inscribed in the square, so the diameter of the circle is the same as the side length of the square. This is also 10. The radius is half the diameter. Let's assume the center is there. The radius would be 5. So the area of the square is 10 times 10 equals 100. And the area of the circle is pi times radius squared. 5 squared is 25. Pi times 5 squared is 25 pi. And the area in between, that's the area we want to find in this problem, is the difference between the area of the square and the area of the circle. 100 minus 25 pi. Pi is approximately 3.14. So this is equal to 100 minus 25 times 3.14. Could use your calculator. And that's 100 minus 78.5 equals 21.5. Now when we get an answer, we want to at least make sure that it makes common sense. Now this area, if you look at the graph, 21.5 would be about right. And you don't want to get a 50 or a negative number. This completes the problem.